Alright guys, here we create a model which is quite simple. It's called Gemini Pro. It's based on Gemini 2.0 Flash. Alright. Here we are going to analyze the customer reviews table. You can see from here. Where we are going to get our columns. Let's open customer reviews. Schema. IDs, review text, what matter for us is this guy, which we're going to be analyzing with the mail. So good service, good location, staff was very friendly. All right. Here you're gonna have some bad info. Terrible. So let's take a look at this guy. You're gonna keep it. And there you go. There we're going to create a table analyzing all of it. So this is generated from the function, okay, generate test. It's going to generate UML, generate test, LLM result. This is generated when you use this function. By the way, we give information plus our test. And here another information we expected from the response. It's positive or negative, which are going to put in this column right here, and they have all the other columns. Okay? We can run this guy. We're gonna appear right here. Then we're gonna have another one like underscore this guy, where customer review ID equals customer review ID. Why can't I get it? Okay, first, okay, we can just run this query separately. There you go. It has to appear here. Table. I can't even get it at. Here we go. That's no matter. Okay, let's prompt. Okay. That's the issue right here. Customer reviews. There we go. What can we generate? Classify the sentiment. Okay, as like or dislike. You can say include sentiment. Where are you falling? We even have a temporary. Okay. Okay, execution. Okay. Where it says. Okay. We're gonna analyze that. Let's refresh it. Okay, there you go. Let's go to customer analysis. Let's be checking the preview of it. Negative, improved, positive. Let's find for positive. Like staff is very friendly. Negative, bad service. Can identify the words. That's what I like to share. Now let's go to this guy. Disgusting. You see, even get some matches. Rude. Wow. quite nice too. That's what I'd like to share. Thanks for watching.